Yep, Aldo. Okay kayong welcome to Rich Life at 60. I'll start with this verse. Proverbs 19:21. Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails. So, yun, yung marami tayong plano, marami tayong gusto, dakal tamo buring gawan, and sometimes we are forgetting na there's this God na buri na siguro aliwaing plano tamo kitang plano na, and who knows na ing plano na pala mas higit pa kitang plano o kitang burita mo mangyari kindiya tamo. Siguro in my life, in my personal life, was misled, or maybe I'm too focused on my plans and too busy to believe na agyo ko, itamburi ko, I achieve ko, itamburi kong gawan, tamburi kong malyari, agyo ko. But the end of the day, this is me. If apanalbenitang video ko, nung nanong current status ko, itayong naging ending at 45 nung nanong hindi ako. But now, I realize na after so many days na I offered everything to God, na sabi ko, ikaw na po bahala, Lord, this time lead my way.